Hi, this is JJ Jackson. You know how sometimes it can feel like life is a storm of stress and chaos and responsibilities? And you're always running around in a whirlwind just trying to keep up with all the things you need to get done? Give yourself a break and strum some happy in your life. The uke is a special instrument. Out of the over 7,000 music lessons I've taught, I've seen how it always brings a smile to everyone's face who plays it. You can't strum it and not feel happy. And studies even show that playing the uke increases the bonds between you and others. I want everyone to experience the joy the uke brings. So I'm teaching a live uke class streaming online this Saturday, November 30th from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to give a fun and easy introduction to the uke and get you playing fast and doing it from the comfort of your own home. So grab all your friends and family who want to share in the fun. You can have as many people sit in on the class for the one low ticket price of $29, which is half off the normal ticket price if you book by tomorrow, Black Friday. So click on the link below right now to sign up, but only if you want to start strumming some happy in your life.